Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nesta, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're going to have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us. Oh, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crystal Real Nesta, yes, and today I'm hiding behind the camera. Today I'm doing an unboxing and I guess setup of the Rehisk portable monitor. It is 15.6 inches, and you guys see how huge this box looks. Just wanted to give y'all a nice little look at that. And they say developing big picture thinking. So I got this to add another monitor to my home life. At work I have dual monitors, so I decided to go ahead and invest for one at home. This is opening the box, and this is what we see here. Let's see if we can. Okay, so it comes like, ooh, sorry. It comes like so. So we're gonna pop it out here. I didn't want to mess up the actual setup of what's going on here. So this is what comes in the box. We got 2 cords. I forgot what you call this, but this is the wall socket, and this is the cord to the wall socket. If you guys give me 1 second. Oh, I didn't even notice this. They had padding in the box, in the cover, and this cover is actually pretty sturdy. When they shipped it, they actually did not put it in a box inside of a box. They shipped it just like this, actually. So this is the actual screen. It's in some plastic here, so we're gonna open up the plastic. And again, this is the 15.9 portable monitor. Now I immediately see that there are speakers. Can you see that right there? Where my finger is. They have 2 sets of speakers on the back of this. Here's some padding for you to set it on. And then we pull this back here. Okay. Can y'all see this okay? I want to make sure y'all see every step of this. And so we open it up to find the instruction manual. This is like I want to say not velvet or Velcro, but vinyl, maybe a vinyl flap back attached to it. And this is the instructions that I guess I just peel off. And here's your actual monitor, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and that's made again by Rehisk. And then actually, you see, it's sitting up by itself, just like so. So let's pull these instructions. Let's see if we can get this thing booted while we are all on here together. So here's our quick instruction guide. I don't know about you, ladies and gentlemen, but I already feel this is pretty cool and a quality product. Now, as far as it work, I cannot testify to that just yet. But it feels nice and sturdy. So they're basically telling us, here's precautions: handle with care, avoid dropping or mishandling them to prevent damage, use a protective case, use a suitable protective case or sleeve to shield them from scratches, bumps, and other potential hazards, secure connection, ensure that the cables are securely plugged in, loose
or poorly connected cables can result in flickering screens or loss of display. Clean with caution. When cleaning display, use a soft, lint-free cloth or a screen cleaning solution specifically designed for displays. Capability ensures that your device is capable with the portable monitor connection interface. So I am booting up my laptop over here, ladies and gentlemen, so that we can hopefully get a double screen connection. I can set this up with you guys. It's telling us connections. It comes with a Type-C cord, which I just showed you guys. So here's our C cord that was in the box. It's a single cable that delivers both power and data transfer. Please make sure the device supports Type-C or Thunderbolt 3 connectivity. Please make sure the device has sufficient power, which I have mine plugged in right now. It has a mini HDMI connection, which I'm assuming is this one. And then it says use A to C type power, which I'm assuming is this one. So they send all the cords in here you need. Press return / source input. Long press to power on and power off. And then there's a menu and audio on here. Now let me see. Oh, okay. Here we go, guys. So this is where we're gonna turn it on, off. We could plug in headphones. Here's the menu. So I'm gonna pause this really quick and try to hook up all of these wires. Oh, wait. Before I do that, I just noticed something that's happening here. This case actually comes off. Look at that. So that's the little case they sent with it. This is the actual screen itself. But I'm going to put this back on because I'm sure it's much more secure this way. So it's actually like a magnetic type of case. So again, give me like 2 seconds and then I will be right back. So ladies and gentlemen, I am back and I have this hooked up to my laptop here. So you see I have 2 screens. I hooked this up with the power cord and HDMI cord into my laptop to give it power. You can also plug this power cord into the electric socket as well. Something cool that has nothing to do with this video. Look at that. My husband, cool editing, he put a little turtle in our video. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I am pretty impressed so far. As y'all see, I like to keep my personal screen a little dark. This is much lighter. I'll let y'all test this a little bit. So the sound, even though it's from this video, it's actually coming from this screen. I'll show you how easy it is to pop over to this screen and operate it as well. So I don't even know if that was at maximum volume or not actually. Let me check that really quickly here. Let's go higher. That actually was half volume, okay? So let's check this out at max volume here, ladies and gentlemen. So this is actually pretty good sound on this. Of course, you can plug up on the side here. You can plug up your own headphones on and off button. So far, I'm pretty impressed. This is the unboxing and setup of the Rehisk portable screen. You can also hook this up to gaming systems, your cell phone, all kinds of things. So I'm super pleased with it for now. Anybody bought this, or something similar, please comment down below. Tell me what you like about it, what you don't like. And as always, I ask that you share our videos out, give us a thumbs up. I thank you all for spending time with me. Also, my husband will put a description of this, a link to purchase this down in the description in case you want to buy your own personal one. They also have this in a touch screen, so you might want to check that out as well. It's a little bit more pricey, but I feel like this was a good value. So check this out. Thank you all for spending time with me again. See you in the next video. Peace.